Hello.
Yeah.
It's a very cloudy day. Can't really tell, but
weather looks bad for a few days.
Yeah. I think we've been lucky, and now we're gonna get clouds as long as it's no rain. But we're just leaving to get some breakfast and then
going to the waterfall.
Going to the waterfall.
So we're just having a little walk to go and get some breakfast. And I was just looking at the waterfall, and it says online you should wear, what was it? You should wear grippy shoes because it's very slippy, and there's like 3 or 4 different layers of the waterfall. And obviously then we realised the last time we was at a waterfall, I nearly hurt my leg a little bit more than I did. But these are my shoes, which is a problem. I don't know if you can see that. Because we're on the ped so much, every time we stop, my shoes are scraping the floor, so I've literally got absolutely no grip, and I don't think barefoot helps. So I don't know, but we're going with a bunch of lads this time. Right, there's a group of us, but there's a group of lads there as well. So whereas last time I climbed it once, come down, and that was it. This time I'm going to be like, yeah, right, I'm going to triple backflip off the top because with the lads. But yeah, we'll see. Hopefully I'm still in one piece by the time you get to the end of this video.
Hi. Oh my god, it's so cute. Hello. Just got to the waterfall. Got our tickets. Worst drive ever. So travel sick.
So if you're a local, you pay 20,000, and then foreigner 60,000.
That's like quite a lot of places.
Right.
Yeah, it was the worst journey ever. We got so travel sick. There's a little bear sanctuary on the way to the waterfall. Oh.
So these are sun bears.
I was going to say one of us get in to see how small it actually is. Oh my god. Imagine. Comfy. It's very small. Oh no, the backpack. This is the cage that the bears would be trapped in.
For their boil.
Yeah, for their boil, which is like used to make medicine. Yeah.
It's like a
Chinese medicine, and here they've rescued the bears. They look so cute. At the Kuang waterfall.
The purpose of this will be explained later when.
Yeah, we'll explain why we've got this elephant. When you can probably hear us
a bit better.
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god, that is so cute. So I think we're near to the top now. I don't know if you can hear me. It's cool, there's loads of people swimming down there now, so we'll probably go for a swim. Just walking up to the main part of the waterfall. It's amazing. This is meant to be one of the best waterfalls in Southeast Asia.
I'd say it's probably the best one we've seen.
Yeah, definitely the most amazing one we've seen. Wow.
Look at that bottom bit, look at the power of the water. Well, fortunately for everyone back home, you can't actually climb these ones, so
yeah.
I live to tell the tale. So we're just climbing up to the top to a place called The View. where I think you get a view over the waterfall. 542 steps there is. We're on about 350. Come on.
So tired.
You can almost hear the top of the waterfall now. You can see it. We're at 400 steps. Almost there. We made it to the top. Only 93 calories. So this is our view. Definitely was not worth the 500 steps. So this is the top of the waterfall. Thoughts? Glad we done it? No, definitely not.
So because someone decided it was a good idea to walk up 542 steps and I told him we didn't have time, we're now late and we're probably going to miss our bus. So we're supposed to be there at 10 to 3, it's now 3 o'clock and we're still on this buggy back down. So once again, he was correct.
We'll do a video in 2 minutes when we're in the bus on the way home.
Well, we hope so. If not, we've got to pay again.
Yes, and Capola.
So I just got ready for the night. We're going to a bar for a few drinks. We just went for dinner with the people that we was at the waterfall with today. So my vlogs aren't very good when we meet new people because I don't really like to get the camera out in front of everyone. But we had some pasta and we were just chatting about politics. We were with 2 German girls, 2 Israeli boys. So there's a lot of politics. Very interesting. So yeah, now we're just going to meet them all again for drinks and then we're going to bowling tonight with them all. So yeah. These are our snacks for tonight.
How many you get each?
Well, as many as they've got in here. It's been a raid. Drinks for bowling. Louis, show me your pants. No, show me in your pants.
I've only got one, the left two down there.
Apparently you're not allowed your own drinks. Oh, thank you. She's got 0, 0. And 0. This is why she always has the sides up. Come on now. Oh, as fast as you can. As fast as you can. And again. Go on. This should not be done whilst under the influence of alcohol. Very sharp. Come on. Pull all the way back, go. Oh, wait.
Yeah. And then take this.
Come on now.
Yeah. More power.
Where did I get it?
It is full side, right?
Bullseye?
Yes, full side. Yeah, no, it's full side.
Come on. Imagine my face on that board.
Give me an extra one. Give me an extra.
Should I go and stand down there?
No.
And you, come on.
No, come
Come
on.
on.
Yeah.
Yeah? Come on. I'll go stand down because.
Both your fingers underneath.
Alright.
Really?
I know what I'm doing.
Right, now both your fingers underneath. There you go. Oh!
And Lewis got the most.
No, I beat you.
I got 3 9s.
No, you didn't. You got 2
I
nines.
got 3 9s. He's lying to you.
I beat him.
I got 3 9s.
I didn't. You didn't.
Louis, how many 9s did I get?
Lions have had at least 3 lines. Oh shit.
Night is done. Getting tuk-tuk home. Tuk-tuk home.
You guys have
Taxi, 6 and 7-Eleven. Come on, driver. 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
You give me more
Wash
50,
your
okay?
Where's the...
Get me off this immediately.
The driver said...
Driver, can I drive, please? I've only had 6.
The driver said... He's had 10 beers.
10 too sharp, man.
No, you got... Go on, beat him! Beat him! Come on, driver! This is the midnight snack.
I've missed you.
Oh yes, egg salad.
Try that.
We've got toasties, as many snacks as we can physically get.
What if I don't? You will. I promise you.
No, bro, this promise on camera, mate.
Okay.
It's on YouTube for
It's
life.
on fucking YouTube. Like, comment and subscribe.
YouTube for life.
If I don't like it, it's on YouTube. No, you like
We're back. Auf Wiedersehen, good night. Lewis's shirt, white shirt's ruined because he fell on the bowling alley, so it's all black. I don't know if you can see.
Oh.
Is this the first time we've been drunk?
No.
No.
Definitely not.
Anyway. Good night.
And no. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
So we've got a cockroach in our room.
Yeah,
I don't know if
we've
you said that. We've got to find the cockroach.
Where is it? Alright, anyway. Sleeping with a cockroach
No,
tonight.
he's probably just chilling, to be fair.
Good night.
Good night, cockroach.